Okay, so you've chosen your stone, now it's time to protect it. The key here is prevention, using coasters under glasses, especially with alcohol and citrus, using trivets and mats under hot dishes, and dust mop your floors regularly. Try not to use a vacuum with worn out parts, they can scratch your stone floor. Sealing is highly recommended for most stones, especially marbles, granites, and limestone. Sealers don't make your stone stain proof, but they can make them more stain resistant. And when choosing your sealer, there are two main types to think about. A penetrating sealer that soaks into the stone, and our most common, and a topical sealer, which creates a barrier on top. When applying the sealer, remember to follow all written instructions on the sealer you purchased. Typically, you can install with a paintbrush or paint pad. Do not use t-shirts or rags because the sealer will adhere to them. Apply liberally in sections and allow it to soak in for about 15 minutes. Remove the excess is a critical step because leftover sealer can give your stone a cloudy look. For daily cleaning, use a neutral cleaner. Stone soap or non-petroleum based dish soap. Avoid acidic cleaners like vinegar, lemon juice, or anything with bleach. Rinse thoroughly and dry completely. In wet areas, you can use a squeegee for soap scum or use a non-acidic soap scum remover with a little bit of ammonia. Be cautious with ammonia because over time, it can dull the stone. In addition to these home remedies, most sealers come with an accompanying cleaner. Matching those two can be a great option for your continuous maintenance. I picked this next video here just for you. And don't forget, before you click over, like and subscribe and go see what that's about.